Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on anyone can tag you on your photo on your Twitter app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Twitter app. So all you have to do, just go up, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And all you have to do now, so just go down, you click here on settings and support, then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on setting and privacy, and you come to the next window here. All you have to do now, so just click here and on privacy and here and safety here. You come to this window and you just click here on add-ins and tagging. Then you come to this window here, so just click here on photo tagging here. Then it's going to show for you window like this. You click here on anyone can tag you, and like you see now, anyone can tag you on your photo. So that's all you have to do. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.